get walked, bitch. Put him 1,000.
Put him 1,000?
Yeah. Motherfuckers better know. Lock your windows, close your doors, keep it slow. Yeah. God damn. My man Imp left a tech and a 9 at my crib. Turned himself in, he had to do a bid. A 1 to 3, he be home at the end of 93. I'm ready to get this paper, G. You with me? Motherfucking right. My pockets looking kinda tight. And I'm stressed. Yo, Biggie, let me get the vest. No need for that. Just grab the fucking gap. The first pocket.
He's beat me by 4 cars. Almost had you. Almost had you. They're smoking. You're smoking. Yeah, the whole engine's smoking.